The amount of time that a home spends on the market can depend on a variety of factors, things like location, market trends, how the listing is marketed, and pricing. But if your home is on the market for a long time, it's a red flag for buyers. Buyers think that if a house has been on the market for a long time, there must be something wrong with it. Either it's the price or the condition. So if you want to sell your house quickly and get it for top dollar, here's some things that you can do. First, get a pre-listing inspection. It's a great way to get the most accurate understanding of the condition of your home. Also, it can help provide a basis for setting an accurate price and avoid the risk of your house sitting on the market. Next, price your home correctly. If your home's priced higher than the competition, it's just going to sit on the market. And again, the longer the days on the market, well, there's your red flag. Next, prep your home for the sale. Do a deep cleaning, declutter, and do any cosmetic repairs that have fallen off the to-do list over the years. And last, the best course of action that you could take to sell your home is take the advice of a trusted agent, even if you disagree with it. That advice likely consists of things like repairs, taking care of the lawn, and the listing price. Their experience over the years could be instrumental in helping you get your home sold quickly and for top dollar.